here we are at the SHINJUKU station.
Yeah. Blood donation.
Are we ever down there?
No.
You wanna be a good man?
Fuck no, dude. You can do it though. You do it.
Okay.
You do it. Yeah, you do it.
Okay.
Got it.
Tokyo Quest. Are you excited?
Dude, I am the opposite of excited. This is actually the dumbest idea ever. I know I'm gonna be the one that blacks out, dude. I just know it. My body's got the perfect amount of blood inside of it right now.
You're so nervous.
I am actually, yeah. It's probably gonna tell me I got
Such a
some messed
good
up
man.
disease.
Such a good man, man.
Yeah, that is
To
true.
give your
That is true.
blood. You're hero?
Yeah, I'll take the seat. You can stand. That's because I'm the hero. Oh, we got another hero coming through.
Blood donation hero?
I'm risking my life, bro. I could black out.
声になったらもういいんだけど大丈夫
Okay, okay. This is a terrible idea.
You wanna be a hero, right?
Yeah, I felt that way earlier.
You gotta wait for the blood check.
Blood check.
Blood check.
Okay. Is this gonna hurt?
I got it.
痛い
You died.
You wanna be a hero, right?
Yeah, that's right. I keep forgetting that part. Gotta keep coming back. Be a hero. Be a hero. I'm a hero. I'm taking care of you people. It's important. Yo, dude, those snacks are here for me, man. How many of those have you eaten?
I don't know.
I thought that was hero food.
You think you're gonna pass out?
I'm pretty sure I am, actually.
You're gonna lay down out here.
Okay.
You don't need to take off your shoes.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am not. This is a stupid idea, actually. I don't know, dude. I hate hospitals. And
This is not hospital.
feels like it. It's like needles and stuff. So now I just sit and they drain me.
Yeah.
Tokyo Quest. This is not what one friend does to another friend. I thought Tokyo Quest was more fun. I really thought this would be something different.
You know what?
What?
The one who have to enjoy is not you. The users. Users is gonna enjoy you suffering, man.
I think you're the only one enjoying. I was a little bit scared.
Are you ready to break up?
I was kind of looking forward to it. I got all psyched up and ready for it. Usually I black out at night, you know, but daytime blackout sounds dope. But
How do you break out?
usually drinking, I guess.
Tokyo Quest. Okay, it's almost done, man.
Almost done. Nice. Yeah. It's that's what they did. That's what they did.
So you became hero?
Yeah, man. You know, it doesn't feel much different than before I was a hero, actually. I'm serious, dude. I'm saving lives, bro. What are you doing? Nothing. That's what. Courage. Or something, you know?
This guy started to talk about the courage. So how do you feel?
You know... You're welcome.